Fall is my favorite season and I love celebrating it, but you don't have to run to the dollar store and buy a bunch of fake pumpkins and leaves. I'm going to show you 20 clutter-free ways to celebrate the season.
I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until...
For literally thousands of years, humans have been celebrating fall across all cultures. And we're celebrating farmers harvesting food and getting together as a family for an amazing meal. We celebrate fires and cozy nights with blankets. But this doesn't mean that we have to go to the store and buy a bunch of pumpkins and decorate with fake leaves. That's not what this is about. It's about yearly traditions that remind us how important it is to slow down. That's what fall is all about. Nature's going dormant. The days are getting shorter, the nights are getting longer and cooler, and we're supposed to slow down too. So let's have some traditions that remind us of this, and let's celebrate the season without the clutter in little ways. And these are some of my favorites. The one tradition that I cherish the most every fall is family photos. Every year, my immediate family, we get together in the fall and we take photos instead of like school photos, but we also get together with our extended family and take family photos. Recently, my stepfather passed away and I was going through photos looking for his obituary picture, and all our family photos I came across with him, and I suddenly realized I'm so extra grateful I have those, and it's so important to do this. Call your extended family, call your parents, call your brothers and sisters, your nieces and nephews. Invite them over and take photos. Life is short. People pass away, kids grow up. Capture those moments. And if you make this a yearly fall tradition, you'll remember to do it every year. You'll see your children grow year after year. And these are my most cherished possessions, and I'm so grateful I started that fall tradition, and I think you should too. Another one of my favorite things to do is have yearly fall traditions that kind of involve nature and outside. We're really blessed because we have apple orchards and pumpkin patches, and we can go for a walk and just watch the leaves turning colors. I don't know where you live, what you could do, but anything that you're doing outside, making that a yearly tradition, involving your family, it's a memory-making moment, and I love tying these to these seasonal changes, because as the seasons change, it's that reminder to do these special things. In our hectic, busy lives, we forget to make time for these type of moments. And so whether you're apple picking, going to a pumpkin patch, or going surfing with your extended family, choose an outdoor activity that you do as a big family every single year. This may seem a little weird, but for me, fall and chai go hand in hand. I love the warm spices of cloves and nutmeg and cinnamon. And so chai juice is what I call it, chai concentrate. I mean, spoiler alert, I drink this all year long, but fall especially, this is a staple and I recommend it wholeheartedly. This is exactly what they use at Starbucks, but you don't have to spend that big money. Get the concentrate over ice with some milk, but you can also bake with it. You can make amazing chai muffins. I love this recipe. I'm gonna put it down below with the crumble top, lots of cloves and nutmeg, and using the chai concentrate. It's perfect for your morning breakfast with a hot latte. But you can also make Taylor Swift's chai cookies. Again, I'm gonna put the recipe to that down below. And this might seem like, why are you baking, Cass? But being in the kitchen feels really natural this time of year, even if you're like me and you don't usually love to cook and bake. And so embrace that this time of year, even if it's going to the grocery store and getting a can of pumpkin pie filling and adding it to a pre-made boxed cake. That's enough to really make you feel like you're celebrating the season. Which leads me to pumpkin spice. Listen, pumpkin spice everything this time of year, and I know a lot of people make fun of it, but it's warm and it feels like coziness in a cup. And you can pick up pre-made pumpkin spice, or you can make your own, sprinkle it over your coffee, or sprinkle it over any toast and butter in the morning. It's amazing, and it also just gets you in that cozy mood that we need this time of year. If you do nothing else on this list, I hope you get a library card. Did you know that library attendance is down 75% over the last decade? I went into my local library and there wasn't one person. I feel like libraries are at risk of being taken away from us and our future generations because people just don't go. We need to have free books that we can enjoy. We need to take advantage of this resource out there because if we don't, there'll be no reason to still have them. So go to your library, take time, peruse the shelves, pick some books you wouldn't normally read, get cookbooks if you want, or gardening books. It doesn't matter. Check them out for free and then cozy up and read them. I keep talking about being cozy, but that I think is the most important thing. It's getting cool outside, so a must-have for me is lots of big, soft blankets just draped over the couch. Make sure you get yourself a big, soft basket to toss them into too, so it's not just clutter everywhere. But a blanket and it curling up by a fire or watching a movie is a must every fall. And if you're like me and you have a lot of pillows, I know I said clutter-free, but a simple cover for your pillow, really inexpensive. I picked up mine from Amazon. It doesn't take up a lot of space. You zip it over the pillows you currently have, and you're able to decorate without having to buy a bunch of stuff or store a bunch of stuff. And it's giving that soft, cozy, that pop of color. You're bringing in the pumpkins and the leaves without all the excess. So I'm gonna put a link to the ones I love down below, but this is one of those things I recommend just to warm up your space for fall. I know this is really cliche, but I'm all about the clothes in fall too. I have like a fall staple outfit that I recommend. It's something you don't have to think about, you just throw it on. It looks adorable, like a white t-shirt, jeans. I just live in it all fall and then just layer different things on top. And these boots I got from Amazon, they're fur lined, they're so comfortable. My giant calves have extra room. And I feel like if you don't have kind of like this basic fall wardrobe to jump into, I recommend. It takes away the decision fatigue of what you're gonna wear, you're gonna look adorable, you're gonna feel confident, and it's the most cozy outfit that you can put on. I definitely want you to make a fall movie bucket list. In this house, we watch Practical Magic, we watch Hocus Pocus, Halloween Town, we watch all the Harry Potters, my kids crush Gilmore Girls. Like, there's movies that have that fall feel, and now is the time of year to curl up with your family and just have a movie marathon. So write down the list of all your fall classic favorite movies, create a bucket list, and check them off. It seems like a simple thing that you can do, but it's all about those memory-making moments. I gotta take a second to thank HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I don't want to spend my fall slaving away in the kitchen, but I still want to have healthy, gourmet, nutritious meals for my family, which is why I love treating myself to HelloFresh. There's over 40 recipes to choose from, so I get out of that recipe rut, and I don't have to go to the grocery store or plan. Everything is shipped to my door, and with the step-by-step instructions, even I can cook like a pro. I love HelloFresh, my family loves HelloFresh, and because it's a new season, there's new meals to choose from. Skip the takeout. You're gonna save money and time with HelloFresh. Go to HelloFresh.com and use the promo code 50Clutterbug for 50% off plus free shipping. That's HelloFresh.com, promo code 50Clutterbug for 50% off plus free shipping. One of my favorite things to do for the seasons is to have my front door kind of welcome people, welcome us home, welcome guests into our house, and have it be seasonal. So I love mums. Now, I know I said clutter-free, but hear me out here. Not only are mums insanely inexpensive, but they're perennial. So put them in pots outside of your front door, decorate your porch with them, your front step, decorate your balcony with them, and at the end of the season, plant them outside. They're gonna come back year after year. So it isn't clutter, it isn't a waste of money. They're an inexpensive, beautiful flower that will take you right until the nights get very cold. And that is when you plant them so they come back year after year. When is the last time you had a bonfire outside? It's cooler at night now, and there's no bugs. Have a roaring fire and make those little memories and eat some s'mores, have hot cocoa. It's like the perfect time of year for these outdoor activities at night. Make sure you take advantage of it. It goes by so fast. It really does. So schedule it on your calendar. Make sure that you're taking time to book appointments, meetings with you and your family to do these little things like a bonfire. I'm also a huge lover of candles, and it's hot in the summer, so I don't get to burn them. So as soon as it gets cold outside, I'm lighting candles everywhere. It's about the ambiance for me, and the smell is nice too, but we're just drawn to fire, right? And we can't always have a fire outside and roast marshmallows. I mean, I do think that's important, but we kind of get a little bit of that same feel lighting candles in the house. It's all about that cozy, homey, warm, slow down relaxation that we're craving. So light a candle, have a bath, light a candle while you're watching a movie. It's gonna make you feel more relaxed. My kids just went back to school because it's fall, so I've got a little bit more time in my day. I got a little bit more time in the morning. I'm going to make it a priority to have some relaxing me time. And this is something I recommend you doing too. You don't have to be walking, but what is it that you're always like, I wish I had time in the day for this? Now as we slow down is the time to make time for that, to appreciate the little things in life, even if it is just taking your dog for a walk. Anything that you can do to make yourself feel more relaxed is a tradition that you have to do this fall. Treat yourself to some new slippers. Get some new bubble bath. Definitely go to the library and get a new book. Maybe pull out all your favorite sweaters and freshen them up and wash them and hang them in your closet. Do that swap in your closet so your fall clothes are the first thing you see when you open the door. Now is the time of year to do that. Embrace this more relaxed, cooler, cozier weather. Get in the kitchen and bake and cook and make soups. Think about yearly traditions that you can do to celebrate this season. Let me know in the comments below some of your fall traditions that you do to help inspire everybody who's watching this video. We don't have to be basic autumn girls, but it is important to just take time to appreciate the changing of the seasons, because it is a reminder for us that we all need change. We can't just run at 100% 24/7. We need to be a little dormant. We need to rest. We need to relax. And this is the time of year that reminds us of that. So put all your fall must-have and essentials in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So I just want to I feel like this is a public service announcement because I've just spent a lot of this video talking about chai latte juice and how amazing it is and how you need to get some. It's crack, friends. I am so addicted to this, and it has 16 grams of sugar per half cup. I have at least 7 of these a day. I wonder why I can't lose weight. Emily's so sweet. She's like, maybe you want to cut back on the chai lattes. I also like really thick, creamy milk with it, just like a baby cow. All the dieting and exercising in the world isn't going to be helpful if I'm chugging 3,000 calories of chai lattes every day. That's all I'm going to say. Why am I gaining weight? This is why. You're the reason. And I'm not even mad about it. And I can't stop. And I'm addicted. And my kids are addicted. So I felt the need to tell you this. You know, like cigarettes have a label on it. I feel like this video needs a label. Yes, this is amazing. It is the nectar of the gods. You will love it more than anything you've ever drank in your life. It is, angels sing when I put this in my mouth, but it will make you fat if you have 20 a day. Just letting you know. Okay, see you guys next time.